Past is always tense, but future is perfect. So why on earth do we waste our today for something that is tense when we can get something that is perfect? If you choose not to be the victim, if you choose to become successful, then you have to take actions. You have to take massive actions to not be bothered, to not suffer because of somebody else. To lead is the way of life. To lead is how the life should be. To lead is what a leader does. So what would you want to do? Why would you want to be a follower? Why would you want to follow somebody when you can lead? And you can lead from the front. You have to lead from the front, and you have no other option. If you think that you have an option, you do not have an option. You will have to lead. You have to lead. You have to inspire. You have to make people grow. You have to help people be successful. When you become the leader, you grow. And when you grow, the world grows with you, because you are the leader, leading first of all your universe. And when you lead your universe, everybody else loves to be a part of your universe. And a true leader is like a sun who maybe burns himself from within, but he always showers light on everybody else. He helps everybody else grow. He helps everybody grow. And when everybody else grows, when everybody else shines, he automatically shines. He automatically becomes the sun. We need to do two things. That is what we are going to talk about. These two things are: first is make your goal 10 times or maybe 20 times or maybe 50 times of what the goal should be, or of the goal that makes sense to you. A goal that you can achieve. And number two is make success your habit. Do not make success your destination. Do not make your goal your destination, but make it a habit. You are never paid well. You are either paid less than what you deserve, or you are paid much more than what you deserve. Do not stop once you are successful. Do not make success your destination. Success is a journey, and you are only successful if you are having continuous successes. You cannot be successful if you had failed the last time. You are successful as long as you are having a stream of successes. You cannot be successful only once. You have to have a stream of successes and failures maybe all through your life. You cannot just have one success and be called as successful. So, successful is the way of life, not a one-time thing. And you can never be the best version of yourself. So you can always be the better version of yourself. Your brain will stop ringing alarms every time. Your brain will stop saying you a no every time whenever you are taking a decision. Whenever you are thinking big, whenever you are dreaming big, your brain will not stop saying you that do not dream so big. Do not think so big. That is not for me. That is not for us. We cannot think so big. We are not destined to reach there. We cannot have that. We are middle class. We cannot think of that luxurious car or that private jet. Your brain will stop saying you that. Instead of that, now the brain will start pushing you. Brain will say, when those people could have done it, you too can. You just have to decide. You just have to think that I can do this and I will do this. And brain will now, with a well-feeded and a good set of information being feeded into it, it will now start pushing you in place of coming in your way. It will now start coming behind you. It will stand behind you, and it will start pushing you and make you win and be successful. So to be successful, to be what you want to become, start making a plan for yourself. Decorate it with the most exclusive things, with the most exclusive things that you want to achieve for yourself, and see how it makes a difference in how you live your life. Stop feeding your life with anger, anxiety, hatred, sadness, and bad feelings and things. Stop doing that. Start feeding in good things, and you will see the difference from today.